What's up, YouTube? Figured I'd make a video. I ain't made one in a long time. See what I've been up to. Just been working on a few people's buggies, four-wheeler stuff like that. I got this Pioneer 700 right here. You don't see many of these lifted too much. Got the 33-inch Motohavoks. I put 4-inch portals with the 30% gear reduction. I got Jake Moorhead at Moorhead Off-Road Engineering. He's got his new arms for the 700. Clears 35s, but we just put some 33s on here. Had the clearance right here. Made it look pretty good. Got the Super ATV arched arms in the back. Got a sound bar. Let's see. Got a snorkel. I snorkeled it. I got these Motohavoks right here that's gonna go on this Sportsman 450 right here. Got a SnorkelYourATV kit going on. Still gotta put a 2-inch lift on it. And tore everything down, and wheel bearings right here shot, tie rod shot right there, so we got to get that changed out. Still got my old four-wheeler tore down. One day I'll get to it, I reckon. Got the stator off somehow. I guess not cranking it forever. It went probably 2 years without cranking it, and the stator froze together, and when I went to crank it, it sheared the bolts off and messed all these up. I'm trying to find a new backing plate, but I might just have to drill that out or get an ease out or something for it. But yup, I just ain't been posting any videos here lately, but I'm supposed to have a ride coming up New Year's Eve, so probably get some good footage of that. Should be a bunch of people out there, but yep, I'll probably have another video with it in the daytime when I get it out of the shop. All right, now that we're out here in the sunlight, we got them both finished up. Got the 33s, Jake's arms, new ball joints, tie rod ends, snorkel kit done, Motohavoks, blue wheels, matched four-wheeler, 2-inch lift. That one's finished. This one's, I think they're gonna come back and I'm gonna wrap the plastics red to match these red rims because they're pretty faded. But I still gotta crank the shocks up like 1 notch. I notched this, so it still kind of looks factory. Gotta get a tube cap for that, sort of match this other side. Can't really tell I hacked it up. Got some clearance in there now. But yeah, should be ready to ride now.